Okay, so this is talking about getting the derivative of natural log of cotangent of x. So let's go ahead and start. The outermost function would be natural log, and then all this stuff in the inside. So to take derivative of natural log, you do 1 divided by whatever was in here. So cotangent of x. Now we have the chain rule, so times the derivative of whatever is in this denominator. And so what's the derivative of cotangent? Should be cosecant squared of x. Okay, so that's pretty much all the deriving, but now I need to kind of rewrite this and get to its most basic form. So let's see, cotangent, that's the same thing as, instead of sine or cosine, it's cosine of x, or sine of x. So that means I have 1 divided by cosine of x over sine of x. And we don't like this. What we do in this situation is we just flip the bottom fraction here and put it on top. So really this becomes sine of x over cosine of x. Okay. Times, well, what's cosecant squared? That's the same thing as, let's see, cosecant is the same thing as, cosecant of x is the same thing as 1 over sine of x. Okay, so cosecant squared is the same thing as 1 over sine squared of x. Okay, well, I've got a sine on the top and on the bottom, so those would cancel out, leaving me with 1 over cosine of x times sine of x. You might be thinking that you're done, except, well, this is the same as 1 over cosine of x times 1 over sine of x, and that is secant of x. Oh, wait a minute. I made an error. I forgot a negative somewhere. That's it. Sorry, the derivative of cotangent is negative cosecant squared of x. So it just means I have a negative on all this. That's an easy fix. Okay. Sorry, where was I? 1 over cosine of x, that's the same thing as secant of x. And 1 over sine of x is the same thing as cosecant of x. And that is a final answer. So make sure you throw that and throw the calculator and check it.